If you're looking to clear all the cache and junk from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC to free up space and improve performance, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you an easy way to clean up your system, so let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to save any open work and close all applications. Now let's dive into the cleanup process. Step 1 is to use Disk Cleanup. Disk Cleanup is a built-in tool that helps you remove temporary files, system cache, and other junk. In the search bar, simply type in Disk Cleanup, and once it opens, choose a drive you want to clean up and click OK. Click on Cleanup System Files to get additional options. After the scan, you'll see a list of file types you can delete. Check the boxes next to temporary files, system cache files, and other items you want to remove. Click OK and then delete files to start the cleanup process. Step 2. Clear temporary files. Windows 10 and 11 keep temporary files that can take up space. To clear them, press Windows plus I to open Settings, go to System, and click on Storage. Click on Temporary Files to see a list of temporary files you can delete. Check the boxes next to the type of files you want to remove, then click Remove Files. Now, let's use Storage Sense. Storage Sense is a feature that automatically frees up space by removing unnecessary files. You can also configure how often Storage Sense runs and what it cleans up. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now clear out cache and junk from your Windows 10 or 11 PC and free up valuable space.